little bit of a high spot right in front of the excavator. So I'm gonna skim that off, and I'm gonna trim this ramp down a bit because it's a little bit too long. So as I was about to say there, as my voice fades off into the distance, right where the excavator is actually the ramp is just too long. So I'm just gonna cut that piece out and make the ramp shorter, and then I'm gonna level it all out after and pack it down. guys shut off there. Never had a GoPro shut off because it was too hot. Well, there you go. It is hot out though, so I guess I should have paid more attention. But as I was saying, I leveled out the best I can with this thing. It's long and it's kind of hard to tell if you're level or not. It's just so tippy. So I got the worst of it done and leveled out as best I can with this. I'll go get my Coyote with the box blade and I'll level it out further. Just going to kind of fix this cutoff here now. So I'm going to get down here. It's probably a good 2 feet, maybe more, cut off. I scooped all that because it was kind of a high point there. Move it over there. Probably have to re-level, and looks a little high up there. Maybe I'll just skim that right quick too. And yeah, hopefully it turns out all good. Guess I'll shut you guys off for a bit so you don't overheat again. And I'll grab the camera again when I got that all cut down a bit more, leveled out. Kind of graded the ramp down. It's a bit steep. Might fix it with the box blade. Scoop all this down. And there's one little high spot there. Kind of missed it. It's hard to tell when you're in it. And that's a little high there. I'll go box blade it out now. Or is it all packed down, leveled out? Ramp shortened.